हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। हमने आरआरबी फार्मासिस्ट के मॉडल पेपर स्टार्ट कर रखे हैं। ये मॉडल पेपर जो है 6th है। 5 जो है ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर रखे हैं, तो आप जाके वो देख सकते हैं। उसका जो लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। उसकी अलग से प्लेलिस्ट बना रखी है आरआरबी फार्मासिस्ट मॉडल पेपर के नाम से, ठीक है। ये वीडियो आपके अपकमिंग सभी फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाली है, और इसमें जो आपको क्वेश्चन है इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों लैंग्वेज में मिलेंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, which enzyme is responsible for unwinding the DNA helix during replications? ऑप्शन है ligase, helicase, polymerase and topoisomerase। ऑप्शन बी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, हेलिकेज है। हेलिकेज is the enzyme that unwind and separate the two strands of the DNA double helix during replication, allowing DNA polymerase to copy each strand। Next question, which part of nephron is mainly responsible for the reabsorption of glucose? Loop of Finlay, collecting duct, DCT, and PCT. Correct answer is option D. The disease Kuru is caused by which type of infectious agent? Option A, bacteria, virus, pyron, and fungus. Correct answer is option C, pyron. Kuru is a rare and fatal nervous system disease caused by the pyron, which are misfolded protein. Next question. The Bohr effect is related to which physiological process? Option A, blood clotting. Option B, oxygen release from hemoglobin. Option C, nerve impulses transmission. And option D, muscles contraction. Correct answer is option B, oxygen release from hemoglobin. Next question. Which vitamin is synthesized by the human body using sunlight? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin B12. Option C, vitamin D. And option D, vitamin E. Correct answer is option C, vitamin D. Vitamin D produced in the skin when it exposed to ultraviolet B rays from sunlight. Next question. Question number 6. The pacemaker of heart is option A, AV nodes, option B, Purkinje fibers, option C, SA node, and option D, bundle of his. Correct answer is option C, SA node. Next question. Which scientist discovered the neutron? Option A, Rutherford, option B, J.J. Thomson, option C, Chadwick, and option D, Bohr. Correct answer is option C. James Chadwick discovered the neutron in 1932, and Rutherford discovered nucleus, and J.J. Thomson discovered electron. Next question. What is the role of bile in digestion? Option A, carbohydrate digestion, protein digestion, emulsification of fats, and vitamin synthesis. Correct answer is option C, emulsification of fats. Next question. The process of conversion of mRNA into protein is called option A, transcription, option B, translation, option C, replication, and option D, transformation. Correct answer is option B, translation. ट्रांसलेशन में क्या होता है, जिसमें एमआरएनए से प्रोटीन बनते हैं, और ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में डीएनए से एमआरएनए बनता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एलिमेंट इज इनिशियल फॉर सिंथेसिस ऑफ थायराइड हार्मोन. ऑप्शन ए कैल्शियम, ऑप्शन बी आयोडीन, ऑप्शन सी मैग्नीशियम, एंड ऑप्शन डी आयरन. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, iodine. And calcium is important for bones, and magnesium needed for enzyme activity, and iron important for hemoglobin. Next question. Which hormone is secreted by corpus luteum? Estrogen, testosterone, progesterone, and FSH. Correct answer is option C, progesterone. The corpus luteum secrete progesterone, which help maintain the uterine lining for pregnancy, and estrogen mainly produced by ovaries, not for corpus luteum, and testosterone male hormone, not secreted by corpus luteum, and FSH produced by pituitary gland. Next question. Schedule as a drug can be sold only on the prescription of option A pharmacist, doctor, nurse and chemist. Correct answer is option B. Schedule H drugs are prescription drugs only sold with a doctor prescription due to potential side effect. Next question. Option A C.V. Raman, Rabindranath Tagore, Mother Teresa और अमृत सेन. Correct answer is option बी रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर को 1913 में गीतांजलि के साहित्य में नोबेल पुरस्कार मिला था. ठीक है. और जो सीवी रमन है उनको मिला था 1930 में और मदर टेरेसा को मिला था 1979 में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द फंक्शंस ऑफ प्री ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन इन द बॉडी? ऑप्शन ए प्रोटीन डाइजेशन, ऑप्शन बी ड्रग अब्जॉर्प्शन एंसर, ऑप्शन सी ड्रग इफ्लक्स ट्रांसपोर्टर एंड ऑप्शन डी एंजाइम एक्टिवेटर. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी ड्रग इफ्लक्स ट्रांसपोर्टर. Next question. Which vitamin deficiency causes pellagra? Option A vitamin B1, option B vitamin B2, B3 and B12. Correct answer is option C vitamin B3 niacin. Next question. Question number 16. In which year was the Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission established? भारतीय फार्माकोपिया आयोग आईपीसी की स्थापना किस वर्ष हुई थी? इसका आंसर आप हमें कमेंट में बताएं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ प्रेशर? प्रेशर की एसआई इकाई क्या है? ऑप्शन है न्यूटन, पास्कल, वॉट एंड जूल. सी आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन डी पास्कल. और न्यूटन एसआई यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स एंड वाट एसआई यूनिट ऑफ पावर एंड जूल एसआई यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच वन इज ए प्रोड्रग? पैरासिटामोल, एल्डोपा, एस्प्रिन, डाइजिपम. पैरासिटामोल, एस्प्रिन, डाइजिपम जो हमारी एक्टिव फॉर्म में ऑलरेडी. ठीक है. एल्डोपा इज ए प्रोड्रग that convert to dopamine in the brain used to treat Parkinson disease. Next question. Who is known as the missile man of India? Vikram Sarabhai, Homi Bhabha, APJ Abdul Kalam और सतीश धवन. Correct answer is option C APJ Abdul Kalam. Next question. Which dosage form is suitable for controlled drug release? Option A oral suspension, immediate release tablet and sustained release tablet and syrup. Correct answer is option C sustained release tablet. Next question. Which gas is responsible for causing acid rain? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, sulfur dioxide and oxygen. Correct answer is option C sulfur dioxide. Next question. Which drug is used as an antidote in organophosphate poisoning? Atropine, adrenaline, diazepam and digoxin. Correct answer is option A atropine. Atropine blocks the effect of excessive acetylcholine due to organophosphate poisoning, and adrenaline used in anaphylaxis and diazepam used to control seizures, and digoxin a heart medicine, not an antidote for poisoning. Next question. Who discovered insulin? Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin. Edward Jenner developed the smallpox vaccine. So correct answer is option C Frederick Banting in 1921. Next question. What is the full form of GATT? Option A General Agreement on Trade and Traffics. Option B Government Agreement on Trade Terms, General Agreement of Trade, Tax and Trade, Global Associations for Trade and Traffics. Correct answer is option A General Agreement on Trade and Traffics. Next question. Which one of the following is a water soluble vitamin? Correct answer is option C vitamin C. And vitamin A, D and K are fat soluble vitamin, and vitamin B and C are water soluble vitamin. Next question. What is the role of magnesium stearate in tablet formulation? Binder, lubricant, disintegrant and preservative. Option B is correct. Next question. In state Indira Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Suchita Kripalani and Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Correct answer is option बी सरोजिनी नायडू 1947 में उत्तर प्रदेश की पहली महिला राज्यपाल बनी थी. ठीक है. और इंदिरा गांधी प्राइम मिनिस्टर थी. ठीक है। एंड सुचित्रा कृपलानी जो है ये पहली महिला मुख्यमंत्री थी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द पीएच ऑफ ह्यूमन ब्लड? 6.5, 7.0, 7.4, 8.0? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which antibiotics inhibit bacterial protein synthesis by binding to 15S ribosomal subunit? Option A tetracycline, option B streptomycin, option C erythromycin, and option D ciprofloxacin. Correct answer is option C, erythromycin. Erythromycin binds to the 15S ribosomal subunit and block bacterial protein synthesis. And tetracycline binds to 13S subunit. And streptomycins also bind 13S subunit. Next question. Who appointed the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Option A Parliament, option B President, option C Prime Minister, and option D Supreme Court. Correct answer is option D, President. Next question. Which enzyme is responsible for DNA replications? Option A DNA polymerase, option B RNA polymerase, option C ligase, and option D amylase. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Rifampicin is mainly used to treat option A malaria, option B tuberculosis, option C typhoid, option D influenza. Correct answer is option B, tuberculosis. Next question. Who won the first Indian woman to go to space? Option A Sunita Williams, option B Kalpana Chawla, option C Ritu Karithel, and option D Tessie Thomas. Correct answer is option B, Kalpana Chawla. Next question. Which tablet coating mask unpleasant taste and odor? Option A entering coating, option B sugar coating, option C film coating, and option D compression coating. Correct answer is option B. Sugar coating used to cover bad taste and smell, making tablet pleasant to consume. And entering coating protect from stomach acid, and film coating thin layer for protection, not mainly for taste. Next question. What is the atomic number of iron? ऑप्शन है 24, 26, 28, 30। 24 तो हो जाएगा हमारा क्रोमियम का, 26 सही आंसर हो जाएगा आयरन का, ठीक है। 28 जो है निकल का, और 30 हो जाएगा जिंक का। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द सिनोनिम ऑफ पैरासिटामोल इन द यूएसए? ऑप्शन ए एसिटामिनोफेन, एस्पिरिन, आइबुप्रोफेन, एंड नेप्रोक्सिन। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच मुगल एम्पायर बिल्ट द ताजमहल? ताजमहल किस मुगल सम्राट ने बनवाया था? ऑप्शन से अकबर, बाबर, शाहजहां, औरंगजेब। सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन सी, शाहजहां ने। अकबर ने क्या किया था, फतेहपुर सीकरी बनवाया था, ठीक है। और बाबर जो है ये हमारे मुगल वंश के संस्थापक थे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द एब्रिविएशन आईपी इन मेडिसिन स्टैंड्स फॉर इंडियन फार्माकोलॉजी, इंटरनेशनल पोटेंसी, इंडियन फार्माकोपिया, एंड इंटरनल प्रिपरेशन। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, इंडियन फार्माकोपिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which gland regulate metabolism in the body? Option A pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, and pancreas. Correct answer is option B. Next question, who was the founder of आर्य समाज? आर्य समाज के संस्थापक कौन थे? ऑप्शन है दयानंद सरस्वती, स्वामी विवेकानंद, राजा राम मोहन राय, और ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर। ऑप्शन ए इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, दयानंद सरस्वती। दयानंद सरस्वती ने 1875 में वैदिक सिद्धांतों और सामाजिक सुधार को बढ़ावा देने के लिए आर्य समाज की स्थापना की थी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑर्गन इज अफेक्टेड बाय हेपेटाइटिस? ऑप्शंस किडनी, लीवर, हार्ट, एंड लंग्स। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, लीवर। हेपेटाइटिस इज ए इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ द लीवर usually caused by the viral infection, alcohol, or toxins. Next question, what is the full form of ECG? Option A electrocardiogram, option B electrochemical gradient, option C electronic current generator, option D electrical cardiac gauge. Correct answer is option A, electrocardiogram. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच विटामिन हेल्प्स इन ब्लड क्लॉटिंग? ऑप्शन है विटामिन ए, ऑप्शन बी विटामिन B12, ऑप्शन सी विटामिन के एंड ऑप्शन डी विटामिन डी. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी विटामिन के. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the schedule for prescriptions only drug in India? Option A Schedule X, option B Schedule G, option C Schedule H and option D Schedule C. Correct answer is option C Schedule H. Schedule H drugs are prescription only medicine that cannot be sold without a doctor prescription. And Schedule X में narcotic drugs आती है हमारी. और Schedule C में आती है हमारी biological products जो होते हैं like vaccines. Next question. The smallest functional unit of kidney is nephron, neuron. Correct answer is option A, nephron. Next question. BCG vaccine is used against option A tetanus, typhoid, tuberculosis and cholera. Correct answer is option C, tuberculosis. Next question. What is the main function of platelets? Option A oxygen transport, option B blood clotting, option C fighting infection and option D hormone secretion. Correct answer is option B blood clotting. Next question. Which element is used in the treatment of goiter? Option A fluorine, iodine, calcium, zinc. Correct answer is option B iodine. Goiter is caused by the iodine deficiency and it is treated by iodine supplement. Next question. Who discovered the electron? Option A J.J. Thomson, Rutherford, Bohr, Dalton. Correct answer is option A. J.J. Thomson discovered the electron in 1907. Next question. Which gas is used in fire extinguisher? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. Correct answer is option C. Next question. What is the antidote for heparin overdose? Vitamin K, protamine sulfate, naloxone and atropine. Correct answer is option B. Protamine sulfate neutralize the effect of heparin and used as its antidote, and naloxone antidote for opioid overdose, and atropine used in organophosphate poisoning. Next question. Which gland is known as the master gland? Option A thyroid, option B pituitary, option C adrenal, option D pancreas. Correct answer is option B pituitary gland. Next question. Who discovered penicillin? Option A Louis Pasteur, option B Alexander Fleming, option C Edward Jenner and option D Robert Koch. Correct answer is option B. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928. Next question. What is the strongest bone in human body? Option A humerus, tibia, femur and radius. Correct answer is option C. Femur. Next question. Question number 56. What is the use of diclofenac? Antibiotic, antifungal, anti-inflammatory and antiviral. Diclofenac is a non-steroid anti-inflammatory drug used to treat mild to moderate pain and help to relieve symptoms of arthritis. Next question. Which organ produces insulin? Liver, pancreas, kidney and spleen. Correct answer is option B. Pancreas. Next question. First Indian woman to go to space was option A Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams, Ritu Karithal and option D Tessie Thomas. Correct answer is option A कल्पना चावला. कल्पना चावला 1997 में अंतरिक्ष में जाने वाली पहली भारतीय महिला थी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 59. What is the generic name of Lasix? Option A furosemide, linezolid, spironolactone, amiloride. Correct answer is option A. Lasix is the brand name for the furosemide. It is a diuretic drug. Next question. What is the chemical formula of baking soda? Option A NaOH, option B NaCl, option C NaHCO3 and option D Na2CO3. Na2CO3 वॉशिंग सोडा है, NaCl जो कॉमन सॉल्ट है, ठीक है, NaOH सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है. सही आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी NaHCO3 सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट. Next question. Schedule of Drug and Cosmetic Act covers prescription drug. Correct answer is option B. Schedule H. Next question. What is the primary functions of red blood cells? Option A, immunity, clotting, oxygen transport and digestion. Correct answer is option C, oxygen transport. RBC carry oxygen from the lungs to different tissue of the body. Next question. Which of the following is a not a vitamin? Option A, vitamin B12, option B, vitamin C, option C, vitamin K, and vitamin P. Correct answer is option D, vitamin P. Next question. Which schedule contains standard for Ayurvedic drug? Schedule T, Schedule O. Correct answer is option A, Schedule T. Schedule O में हमारे standard for disinfectant. Schedule Y, clinical trial guidelines, and Schedule G, list of disease that cannot be claimed to be cured by the medicine. Next question. What is the unit of electric resistance? Ampere, volt, ohm, and watt. Correct answer is option C, ohm. And ampere unit of electric current, voltage unit of electric potential, and watt unit of power. Next question. What is the ideal temperature for storing vaccine in cold chain? Option A 0 to -5 degrees Celsius. Option B 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Option C 10 to 15. And option D 20 to 25. Correct answer is option B 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Next question. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K, and vitamin C. Correct answer is option C, vitamin K. And vitamin A important for the visions. Vitamin D helps in calcium absorption, and vitamin C boosts immunity. Next question. Full form of ECG. Option A, electrocardiogram. Option C, electroconductive graph, and option D, electric cardiogram. Correct answer is option B, electrocardiogram. Next question. First antibiotic discovered was option A, streptomycin, option B, tetracycline, option C, penicillin, and option D is erythromycin. Correct answer is option C, penicillin. अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग ने 1928 में पेनिसिलिन की खोज की थी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the capital of Sri Lanka? Option A, Colombo, Kandy, Jaffna, and Galle. Correct answer is option A, Colombo. Next question. Is the most abundant protein in human blood? Albumin, hemoglobin, fibrosin, and collagen. Correct answer is option A, albumin. Next question. Which vitamin is necessary for the absorption of calcium in body? Correct answer is option D, vitamin D. Next question. What is the molecular formula of glucose? Option A, C6H12O6. Correct answer is option A, C6H12O6. And option B, C5H10O5. This is molecular formula of ribose. And C4H8O4. This is the formula of tartaric acid. And C3H6O3. Formula of lactic acid. Next question. Which of the following is not an anti-cancer drug? Option A, methotrexate. Option B, cyclophosphamide. Option B, tamoxifen. And option D, aspirin. Correct answer is option D, aspirin. Aspirin is a non-steroid anti-inflammatory drug. Next question. What is the unit of drug dose? Milligram, microgram, gram, and all of the above. Correct answer is option D. Next question. Who is known as the father of Indian pharmacy? Professor Mahadev Lal Skroff is the father of Indian pharmacy. The correct answer is option A. Next question. Which disease is treated with insulin? Option A, tuberculosis, diabetes mellitus, hepatitis, and malaria. The correct answer is option B. Next question. Which of the following is not a part of central nervous system? Option A brain, spinal cord, nerves, and option D both A and B. Correct answer is option C, nerves. The central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord, not the nerves. Nerves are the part of the peripheral nervous system. Next question. What is the most common side effect of non-steroid anti-inflammatory drug? Nausea, headache, gastric irritation, and drowsiness. Correct answer is option C, gastric irritation. Next question. Which hormone regulates blood sugar level? Option A thyroxine, option B insulin, option C adrenaline, option D cortisol. Correct answer is option B, insulin. Next question. Question number 81. The generic name of Tylenol is option A paracetamol, ibuprofen, aspirin, and diphenhydramine. Correct answer is option A. Next question. What is the full form of WHO? World Health Organizations, World Human Organization, World Helpline Organization, and Worldwide Health Organization. Correct answer is option A, World Health Organization. Next question. Which of the following is a known benzodiazepine sedative hypnotic drug? Option A, zolpidem, diazepam, lorazepam, and alprazolam. Correct answer is option A, zolpidem. Zolpidem is a non-benzodiazepine sedative hypotonic used to treat insomnia. Next question. The smallest bone in the human body is option A stapes, option B femur, option C radius, and option D tibia. Correct answer is option A. Step is located in the middle ear. It is the smallest bone in the human body, and femur is the longest and the strongest bone in the body. Next question. In which of the following drug classification does paracetamol belong? Option A analgesic, antipyretic, option C anti-inflammatory, option D both A and B. Correct answer is option B, both A and B. Paracetamol is classified as a both analgesic and antipyretic. Next question. What is the standard unit for measuring drug doses? Option A gram, option B milligram, liter, and cubic centimeter. Correct answer is option B. Next question. The drug used to treat malaria is option A amoxicillin, option B artemisinin, option C metformin, and option D ciprofloxacin. Correct answer is option B artemisinin. Next question. Which vitamin is important for vision? Correct answer is option A, vitamin A. Vitamin A initial for the good vision, and its help maintain the health of the retina and allow for proper light reception. And vitamin C important for the immune functions and skin health. And vitamin D is primarily important for bone health. And vitamin E is an antioxidant, help protect cells. Next question. Which vitamin deficiency leads to rickets in children? Option A vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K. Correct answer is option C, vitamin D. Next question. Which is the largest organ in the human body? Liver, skin, brain, and heart. Correct answer is option B, skin. Next question. Which hormone is produced by the pancreas? Correct answer is option A. Next question. Drug Administration, option B Food Drug Authority, option C Federal Drug Administration, option D Federations of the Drug Association. Correct answer is option A Food Drug Administration. Next question. Which element is commonly used in X-ray imaging? Option A copper, iodine, lead, tungsten. Correct answer is option D. Next question. Which of the following is an anti-inflammatory drug? Acetaminophen, ibuprofen, paracetamol, and penicillin. Correct answer is option B. Ibuprofen is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug used to reduce inflammation, pain, and fever. Next question. What is the main action of the beta blocker in the treatment of hypertension? Increase heart rate. Option B, dilate blood vessels. Option C, block the effect of adrenaline. Option D, decrease blood volume. Correct answer is option C, block the effect of adrenaline. Beta blocker work by blocking the effect of adrenaline, reducing heart rate and blood pressure. Next question. Which vitamin is essential for the synthesis of collagen? Option A, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E. Correct answer is option B. Next question. The process of transferring a drug from the site of administration to the bloodstream is known as option A, absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion. Correct answer is option A. Absorption is the process by which a drug transferred from the site of administration into the bloodstream. Next question. Which of the following uses centrifugal force of separation? Filter press, distillation column, centrifuge, and dryer. Correct answer is option C. Centrifuge.